Let's see if Akila likes lemons. Do you want the lemon, baby? Do you want this lemon? No? You want to try it again? Do you want the lemon? Do you like that? Is that good? Say good. Actually, she must have liked it. She didn't take it and throw it. Yeah, come here. See if you like it. Try it again. Yeah. Is it good? Say Kiki. Here we go. Come here. Gonna say it's not her favorite. She's not running over here to it, but she didn't throw it. Hi, baby. I'm gonna try it again. Let me try it again. I think she kind of likes that one. Okay, I'm just going to set it in her food tray. See if she comes down for it and likes it. Hello, Kiki. Hello, baby girl. Hello. Yeah, hello. Come on.